Hello everyone, in this video you will learn about impression making of edentulous arch. So we have patients of edentulous maxilla is a high well-rounded ridges and by posterior low well-rounded ridges, mandible is atrophic ridge. First we have to try the impression train with the patient's mouth. Make sure it covers all anatomical landmarks posteriorly with the grossity area, and the tray should be a 5 mm larger than the outer side of surface of the wrist. And then we have to try the mandibular impression tray in the patient's mouth and covered to the retromolar pad area bilaterally, and should be a 5 mm larger than the outer surface of the wrist. For atrophic ridge, we use an admix impression compound. So for an admix impression, we mix both impression compound and impression cake. That should be a 3-part and the green stick 7-part. We put into the hot water, the temperature of the water 45 degrees centigrade to 55 degrees centigrade. Again, we follow the manufacturer instruction. Once the material is soft, we take it out and perform the kneading of the impression material until the materials becomes homogeneous mix. Then we will make a roll for the mandibular impression and then load the impression on the tray. Adopt the materials with the help of the fingers. Make sure it covers all the border of the impression tray. There should be no any wrinkles on the surface of the impression. Again, you have to put into the hot water to make the material soft and adopt with the help of the finger and make roughly the shape of the ridge with the help of the finger. And then with the help of the one end, we have to retuck the lip and set the tray into the patient's mouth. And with one end, we have to stabilize the tray, while other end we have to perform the lip as well as the cheek movement, right side and then left side. For the mandibular impression, we ask the patient to perform the tongue movement such as protrusion, side to side movement of the tongue, and ask the patient to raise the tongue. Once the material is set, we take it out from the patient's mouth. For the maxillary impression, we use impression compound material. When put into the hot water, once the material is soft, take it out from the hot water and load the impression tray, place on the center part of the tray, which is the palatal area, and we adopt with the help of the fingers. Make sure you cover all the border of the impression tray, and there should be no wrinkles on the surface of the impression. And we roughly make a shape of the ridge on the surface of the impression, and then insert the tray into the patient's mouth. With one hand, we have to retuck the lip and centralize the tray using the reference point such as the holes in the handle and notch that will be aligned with the cranium. We have to stabilize with the help of the fingers the center part of the tray and perform the lip and cheek movement, right side cheek movement, left side cheek movement, as well as the lip movements. And we have also ask the patient to open the mouth wide, perform the side to side movement of the mandible as well. Once the material is set, to take it out from the patient's mouth. This is a maxillary impression as well as the mandibular impression. So this primary impression, we use an admix impression for atrophic ridges and this impression compound for the maxillary arch. So after making impression, we have to disinfect the impressions for 10 minutes, and due to the poor dimensional stability of the material, we pour the impression within we use a stone for the pouring. Thank you very much. This is all about for the clinical demonstration of making primary impression by using impression compound material.